Hi everyone, I'm so happy that you are with me again. Today I'm going to try and record myself over the video and see how it goes. I'm on this massive learning curve trying to put into practice all the things that I'm learning about video, about drawing, about myself. It's been a bit of a ride, and one of the things that has come up for me is the, I guess, conflict or inner conflict between the self or the person that I am when I am doing my day job. I'm a teacher. I teach English as a second language. I'm also a teacher trainer. I run a business with a friend. I keep myself really busy when it comes to this primary income source that this day job is. But then again, I am also trying really hard to learn a lot of things about art, because this is something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. And I don't know how I feel about this idea of a day job. I am wondering if I should move on to a different approach and literally just making art, making videos, the day job. Obviously this isn't possible yet, but it's something that I would like to look into and work towards. So I'm curious what you guys are actually doing. Are you full-time artists? Are you still working full-time jobs and doing art on the side? It's an interesting conversation, and it's one that has always stuck with me. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. I'm going to leave you for the last bit of the video with the lovely song you've been listening from the very beginning, and I would love to hear in the comments what you guys are thinking about the videos, what you'd like to see next. And thank you so much for being around. It's lovely to have you here.